Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to discuss one of our client's case study. The primary goal of this Google Ads campaign is to generate leads, phone and email submission leads, and the target audience are the people who are looking for starting their own solar panel business. Basically we are targeting franchise seeking people who want to invest in franchise and start their own solar business. You can see here are the ad copies. We are mostly targeting mobile phones. These are the search terms that we are getting, and these are the keywords that we are targeting. Let me select this campaign. Now you can see here are the keywords that we are targeting, and if we go into the campaigns, and you will see that here are the results that we got. Above 600 clicks, these are the impressions. CTR is above 15%. Here's the average CPC, 35.06 rupees in Indian rupees. This is how much we have spent till now, and these are the phone calls that we got, and these are the conversion now, and this is the cost per conversion, and these are only the phone calls that we got. And let me see how many lead submission recorded in this particular time period. See, here are the 26 lead submission, also 77 phone calls plus lead submissions. So here are the total leads that we got, that we generated for these solar franchise clients in this cost. These are the keywords that we are using. It is the combination of phrase match and broad match keywords. The biggest challenge in this type of campaign is if we go to Google Keyword Planner and let's search one of the keywords like solar franchise. There are not many average monthly searches, like all of them are below 20, below 30. None of them have a good average monthly search. So biggest challenge in this campaign, when we created this campaign, was that we were not expecting any result because the traffic estimation was already very low. If you must be thinking that why we chose only broad match and phrase match keywords, because we tried to go with exact match, but as we just saw that the volume of traffic is very low, so we were not getting much traffic in exact match keywords. So what we did was we went for the combination of phrase and broad match keywords, and this is how we managed to bring down the CPC very low. And you see quality score of the keywords are above average. You have to work on it. You see ad relevance is above average, so I think we should work on landing page experience. Once we work on landing page experience, here we will be able to bring it to like about 8, I think, or maybe 10 on 10. The factor that we have to work on is we will be able to bring the CPC way below whatever we are getting right now. So currently the campaign is profitable. Due to this approach, we are using manual CPC because I think it's performing very well. Our clients are getting good results with this approach. We're not targeting Google search network or display network, only Google search page we are targeting. The target state is Indian state Madhya Pradesh. Average budget we have decreased it to 200 rupees per day, and here Google is recommending us to go for smart bidding, but as we have optimized it in manual CPC, that it is performing really very well, so we don't need to go for any automated bid strategy as such, because manual CPC is working very good for us. So this is the short review of this Google Ads campaign that we are running for our clients, for solar panel clients. Let me do one more thing, that we should go to audience and add audience segment. What it will do is it will try to target your campaign to similar kind of audience that falls under these categories. For example, business services people, business industrial products, commercial properties. Yes, so let's save this. Let me give you a demo that how we wrote this ad copy. Google Ads responsive search ad for solar panel franchise. You can take help from Bard or ChatGPT. Here it will write headlines for you, description for you. So this is a small example that you can also use AI to write your Google ads. How we managed to bring that CPC and cost per conversion down is here. You have to share these search term reports with your clients. Alright, in this campaign, in every week, I think in every 7th day, we discuss on the search terms. For example, if this keyword is a bad keyword, bad search term that we don't want to target. Alright, so what we'll do is we will add it as a negative keyword, alright, in campaign level, and click save. And that's how we filter out all the search terms, so that whatever search term you get should be the targeted one. Alright, so you always have to emphasize or focus on your search terms. First, do extensive keyword research, alright, and then on the basis of your search term, you have to discuss it with your clients, and then keep on filtering out the bad search term. Keep on adding the bad search term to negative keywords, and keep on adding the good search term to positive keywords. Yeah, that's how you can pull off any campaign. This is the result of the campaign that we are promoting, which is of solar franchise campaign. If you are also a business owner looking for an experienced Google Ads advertiser to advertise your business on Google, so look nowhere else, as we have 7+ years of experience in Google Ads, and we are fortunately had an opportunity to become a Google Ads partner. So whatever campaign, whatever business you want to run on Google Ads, we can help you in this. You can also book a free 30-minute meeting with us. Link is in the description. In this meeting, we will discuss your campaign, and we will discuss the business and how we can help with Google Ads to increase the sales in your business. Alright, so I hope this video helps. Watch our next case study. Subscribe to Adshot Media. This is Ankit Shrivastava signing off. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.